to download VS Code in your desktop. So first open any browser. I'm going to use Chrome. Then type here VS Code. Then go to its first link or second link. So I'm going to its second link, and I am downloading VS Code from its official browser website. Then I will select 32-bit because I have Windows and I have 32-bit. If you have Mac OS, so you can choose Mac OS options, and if you have Linux, so you can use Linux option. Then here will be your here will be start your downloading. So I have downloaded it, so I'm going to open this. You can also open this after downloading. So it is opening. Then I have to do some setups in my VS Code. Hmm, yeah, here, and I have to click on run and see setup has detected that setup is currently running. Okay, it is because I have a VS Code from previously. So but here will not any problem with you because you are downloading VS Code first time. So I will accept this agreement, and I will choose a desktop icon and will click next, and then I will install it. It is preparing to install. Now see, it is going to install, and it is installing also. So there are some few seconds or movements for completing it. Now it is saving uninstall informations. And guys, I'm thinking that it is completed. Yeah. So now I will click on finish, and then we'll go to my PC browser. So see, here is my VS Code, and see, it is also open for us. So first I will cut it, and I will show you. First I have to delete this form because I have to show you first to end of the VS Code. So first I will cut this, and then I will open this. So first I will go to file, and a new file, because the VS Code was downloaded from me. So guys, when you open your VS Code firstly in your desktop, so you will see a interface like this. So firstly you have to go to a new file, create a new file. Not, you have to go here and have to do double click. Now see, here is a new file for you, and now by using Ctrl plus S, click it, then choose that where do you want to save your file. Then type its title, like my title is VS Code, and by using dot you have to write the language of that coding. I am giving it like HTML. Okay, now I will save. Okay, so guys, so you can see here. So guys, if you like my video, so please like